A few hours ago, a new token started pumping. Well, a token I probably wouldn't buy, but I will do a technical analysis on it because a lot of you are interested in it. 1.2 mil volume. It's trending, which means a lot of people are searching for it, and I had to make a video on it. 1.2 mil volume. This is the price where it's at right now. Let me know what the price is when you're watching the video. Is it up or down from the point when I'm making the video? This would be pretty curious for me. Market cap seems to be 3.5 mil. You can buy it on PancakeSwap. Check the liquidity. We'll do a very in-depth price analysis, by the way, so make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. But before we start, keep in mind that this video is not financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. With that being said, the purpose of this series is very simple. Pretty much every single day I go over all the new tokens and all the hot tokens for the day, and I give you my opinion on them, whether or not I'll personally be buying into them. So if you want to learn about that, all you gotta do is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, which would be really helpful for the channel. I'm also sponsored by a really cool project, Nemesis DAO. They have the best APY right now on the Nemesis OHM fork, 400% APY, which is insane. Definitely something you want to check out. I will be making a new video on them with some updates that they are planning to do. So green chart, let's talk about it. Starting off with their website, and then we'll move to the chart. A token designed to do one thing: post green chart. They have the AMA, which is cool. Next step one: develop and launch a mobile wallet application. They've done everything except staking. They did some things like getting listed on CoinMarketCap is phase 2, but this isn't updated, which is not great. Here's the team: Brady, Alex, Gabriel, and that's pretty much it, right? So let's go over the chart because this is what we want to see. Let's warm up our fingers. That's definitely bad, by the way. Low liquidity, 200 grand. How did this happen? This is bad as well. Based on the volume profile, so I can already see two areas of interest in terms of volume. So let's start with the VP, with the volume profile on the visible range. Yep. Here there is a range. I would also say there's one range here. There's definitely a range here. So these are the primary ranges. Below here is free fall length. So if we fall below this price, what you want to do is just head out. This wouldn't be interesting at all for you. If the price moves below this level, the EMA is definitely trending downwards, which is really easy to notice. There was the downtrend was confirmed right here. You could have noticed it because it had a failed all-time high. So you did all-time high, test 1 fail, test 2 fail, test 3 fail, test 4 fail, and then breaking above the EMA was dead, you know. And then when this support turned into resistance, was broken, this is where a lot of people take shorts. This is a pattern that a lot of people do. After, you know, this was the high, on the next test you would start a short like this. On the reversal, you can have a stop loss wherever you want. The risk doesn't have to be that high, and you'd have the take profits here, and you could see people taking profits here if there was a short. But on the reversal side, you could see people trying to get out on the first pump, from what we can see here, but it just went down and down and down. So what I think about the token right now is you can place a long right here because there was a big purchase right here, followed by a pretty big sell. People just wanting to get out from this token at this point. But if I were to trade it, I would trade it with something like this. Maybe even a tighter stop loss, but yeah, something like this would be a realistic, obviously CoinMarketCap alert. And I would probably scalp for a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, something like this. And that's actually a very good trade, probability wise. You can even, yeah, I think that would be okay, because the first volume, the first place where people actually started taking profits, if we just don't pump in one go, is at this area. So it seems like this is an okay-ish place to to serve as a take profit area or a target hit. So yeah, 12022. I probably won't be trading this token. Low liquidity, right? You can't go in with big amounts. I don't like how the volume is formed. There's only one big bullish candle. The accumulation was here. You could see this, and then there's just people are taking profits all the way. But it can go to. I mean, it's still up a lot. Like if people manage to buy here, even if they're selling here, they're up to 3x. So it's not really bad for the people that managed to accumulate here. Not even mentioning this point, but if we just mention that as an area of interest. So we'll go over this for sure, because it's interesting. It's definitely a point of interest, but I probably wouldn't be trading green chart. I haven't read anything else. I'm just going off the technical analysis when it comes to the token. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Why not? See you next video, next token. Bye.